In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download and reinstall Vanguard for Valorant. If you're getting any error related to Vanguard, this method usually will fix it. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Begin by actually going down to your search bar and you're going to want to type in add or remove programs and open it up. Once you're in here, use the search bar, not up at the very top, but at this search app section, and just type in Vanguard. And once you see it pop up in here, which I actually just uninstalled it to make sure this works for you. So I'm going to use Call of Duty Black Ops 3 as an example. Just essentially click the three little dots right here and then hit uninstall on that Riot Vanguard. You'll get a confirmation prompt, hit yes, and this will completely remove Vanguard from your PC. Don't worry, Valorant will reinstall automatically in the next step, but essentially go ahead and open up your Riot client and make sure that you are logged in. Once you get logged in, go ahead and select on any of either, Valorant or any really Riot game, and you'll see a prompt asking you to install. As soon as you select install, it's going to go ahead and begin installing, the game again, or updating the game and reinstalling Vanguard in the process. Once the installation does finish, you'll see a message saying system restart is required. Go ahead and just restart your PC by selecting the Windows icon, selecting the profile icon, and hitting restart. Once your computer turns back on, launch Valorant again, and at this point, Vanguard should be fully installed and working, and your error should be gone. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.